Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing video for you. Now I was going to milk it a little bit and unbox both of these in separate videos, but I thought, you know what, it'll be a bit of fun to unbox them on the same video because there's something for everyone in these and they're both very different. So I thought it'd be a bit of fun to put them on the same video and not spread them across two videos and just get straight into it. So we'll start with this one first. For those of you that have brought anything from the Royal Mint, you will know this is their packaging. Very distinctive, always very exciting when these boxes turn up on my doorstep and straight away you can already see what it is. Now I've been waiting for this for a while. This is the second coin in the 4-coin proof series for the Harry Potter from the Royal Mint. And I ordered this a while back, but it was out of stock for ages. Well, I don't think it was out of stock. It was kind of a waiting stock, I think it said. So it's only just arrived today. So it was a nice surprise because I'd almost given up on it. I actually chased it the other day. I actually sent them an email and said, like, what's going on with this coin? It's been pending delivery for a long time now. And they said that they're waiting for more to be minted. So I don't know how true that is. I don't know if they were just having supply issues or not really sure, but finally got my hands on it. Like I said, it's a 4-coin series, and the reason I subscribe to this series is because there are going to be 2 with the Queen on the back. The first one was the Harry Potter, and that's got the Queen on the back, and this one's the same. And then the second 2 that are going to be released later this year are going to have the King on them. So I thought it's a neat little series. Harry Potter's very collectible in itself. It's the first, I believe it's the first series of Harry Potter that the Royal Mint have brought out. And just the fact that it was a kind of smaller series, just being the 4 coins, and 2 being with the King on them and 2 with the Queen, I thought it's quite a nice collection really, so that's why I got involved with it. See, it's got a bit of marks on there, but let's see how the coin looks. Look at that. I haven't had a new proof coin for a while. Really, really nice. Let's get this off so you can really appreciate it. So as you can see, that's the Hogwarts Express, the train. It's got 25 there because it's celebrating 25-year anniversary of Harry Potter. To the Hogwarts Express at the top. And you can see that they've got so much detail in this. 25 years of magic. What a gorgeous looking piece of silver. And like I said, you've got the Queen on this one. Looks very, very nice. I have to look at it closer off camera, but I can't see anything that... I can't see anything wrong with it in this lighting. So yeah, really, really nice looking coin. I actually prefer the look of these ones than the colorized one. They've got the colorized ones as well, but I just think nothing beats a silver-proof coin. So pop that back in there, and let's have a look at the booklet, see what number we got. 2168. So I'm not sure what was the mintage on these. Like I said, this is the second one. Harry Potter was the first one, and there's 2 more to go. So quite a neat little collection. There's all these stats for you there. So yeah, 15,000. So not that high for a kind of Harry Potter coin, which has, you're going to get people that like collecting coins and people that like the Harry Potter franchise as well. So yeah, I thought that would be quite cool. So there we go. So that's the first unboxing done. Let's put this up the top here. Now here is the second item, and like I said, there's something for everyone in this video, so you can probably guess what this is, as we've already got some silver on display. This also arrived today, so like I said, I thought, you know what, instead of separating it, making it into 2 separate videos, let's just get these both on one video and then keep everyone happy. The people that love the gold and there's people that love the silver, and there's people like myself that love both. So this is the Memorial Sovereign. This is obviously the bullion version. I wasn't overly impressed with the proof versions, purely because it felt like a bit of a money grab. The premiums on them were very, very high, so I decided to wait until the bullion version come out. I wasn't sure if it would come out in bullion, to be honest, but it did, and really, really nice. The only difference is you haven't got the Boxer certificate and you haven't got that mirror finish, but to be honest, this might be a bit controversial, but I'm not a huge fan of the design anyway. I think it's a bit too busy. There's a bit too much going on. Now, a lot of people might disagree with me in the comment section. Let me try and get it to focus. But I just think there's a bit too much going on. I think they've overcomplicated an already very nice design. So that's just my thoughts. But yeah, really nice piece of gold to add to the stack. And it's just kind of a historic coin, really. It's the first bullion sovereign with the king on it. So yeah, there we go. Let me know what you think in the comment section. It's nice to have a bit of gold and a bit of silver on the same video. It is a nice, don't get me wrong, it is definitely a nice piece of gold. Any gold's a nice piece of gold. There you go. But I just think the design is a little bit busy. There's a little bit too much going on to be able to actually appreciate the design. But like I said, that's just my thoughts. Let me know what you think. So yeah, as always, thanks very much for watching my video. I hope you like this video, and I hope you have a nice day.